Hey guys, mamasyal kami ngayon. Happy Thanksgiving. Punta kami ng Stephen Park. Siyempre, kasama namin yung aming mga kiddos na sobrang hot. And siyempre, yung aming pinancer, si Mami Dian. Wait lang tayo ng over. Yun na nga. Say 1, 99.
Ayos ah.
P80. Halika na, Hana. Go there. Let's go. Ay, automatic pala. Ay, sabi? Yes. It's so cold.
Head to your drop-off at Stevens Lake Park.
Wait. Just wait for you.
One by one.
Okay na na. Okay na.
Excuse me.
Make huge use your seatbelt for your safety.
Ay, sorry. Tayo pala wala seatbelt.
Stash Street, then turn right.
Okay lang tayo dyan. Say hi to my vlog. Okay, let's move.
May practice pa kayo.
Turn right to stay on West
Ah?
Ash Street.
May practice kayo.
Yes, magka-drive tayo tomorrow. Yan lang naman kung saan nagpa-test drive. Ano pangalan pa? Kano hanggang doon? 15? Malayo. Layo pala. Over lang muna tayo. Wala pa tayong car. Hoy, daming tao dun oh. Grocery.
How are you today? Good.
Good. Nice weather.
With Thanksgiving?
I think so.
No Black Friday today?
Later.
Later.
We'll try tomorrow.
The mall, very crowded, the mall.
Well, really?
Yeah, I dropped my kids there, so
Ah,
it's really there.
they're celebrating
The
Thanksgiving.
line is, you have to wait maybe 1 hour.
What?
Cashiers.
Really? That's why we cannot go there.
Yeah, if you go later,
Maybe after Pernis.
it's gonna be even tomorrow and after to Monday, I think.
I think until Sunday or
Monday it's cold, I don't know it's cold, but still the Monday you can buy online.
ah.
I think on Monday it will start to snow.
Snow?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Because
So
you know,
snow coming in Monday.
yeah, because you know we're first timers here, and my kids, they were looking after that. They're looking forward for this snow.
Oh.
They're their first time to see a snow.
They love to play on the snow. Oh, good. You can work, but if two,
Yes.
but you cannot go to social security.
Good thing you had your green card.
And last year, my wife, she applied for the green card because for the student who's PhD, they have outstanding, they have research and like this, so they can apply for the PhD, for the green. So we applied for the green card, and we get it last July. But now it's pretty complicated because Trump now
It is.
every day restricting, making a lot of restriction.
Now that you are green card holder, you have a lot of responsibilities.
Yeah.
You're not just a visitor here.
First of all, you have to look for a job now.
Yes.
And it's a valuable the job, especially in the here.
Make a sharp left turn on Old 60.
for the stores, you can get it Walmart, Gerbes. Gerbes closer to you. You can get. They are looking for employees. Gerbes.
Malapit siya doon. We're just going to learn. And he will drop us back.
Okay. Almost dry, oh. Yung mga flowers. Ay, yung mga ano, trees.
Turn right, then turn right on Old North 63.
Ito yun.
Turn right on Old North 63, then drop off Diane.
Stephen
You want to stop here?
Lake.
Maybe
This
it's
is the
easier.
Stephanie Park. This one. Starting from here, I mean.
Yes.
We cannot move inside.
Okay.
Yeah,
just
this is only here. This is the parking.
Ah, this is the parking.
There is lake. It's very beautiful area here. The lake.
Okay.
You can move inside them.
Thank you very much.
Okay, have a good day.
Let's go.
I will open.
Okay, please. Ito kasi ano si ano. Ito yung ako.
Yes.
Should you like that?
Enjoy United States.
You too also.
Have a good day. Are you speaking English?
Yes.
Later you will be professional. Okay.
Professional speaker.
Thank you, Ahmed. Have a good day.
The same when they came here. The first 1 year, no speaking. They didn't understand anything.
Arabic?
They go to the school and come back when I asked them, did you learn anything? My daughter, I have 4
which
kids. My
country,
youngest daughter, she said, I didn't understand anything. What they are saying?
But now you
But now she's really like the American. She's like it. All of them, after 1 year, 2 years, they will be professional. Because still young.
Yes.
They also learn faster than
Yeah,
adults.
yeah.
Thank you.
Also believe-
Thank you.
Thank you, Ahmed. Have a good day.
Ay, Stephen Lake. Ang lamig.
Ano ka?
Ha?
Nasaan yung ano ko dito?
Alin?
Point 4.
Alin?
Ha?
Nandyan.
Nandito?
Wow. Huwag na malamig, anak. Okay lang yan. Malamig eh. Mangangatal ka dyan. Look, si daddy, nag-try na yung hands ko. Ah, diba? Wow! Ganda naman.
Let's picnic
Taasan
here.
natin.
Na lang.
Oh, yes.
Are we
Lakad
gonna
tayo.
picnic?
Ha? Alin? Bakit? Ha? Ha? O, di ba? Oh, lamig. Grabe. Ano? Ayaw mo? Kaya mo lamig? Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Yes. Strong ako.
Strong ka? Okay, sige. Tingnan natin ha kung strong ka ha. Woo! Masyal tayo dito.
Guys,
Playground.
Dad,
Saan? Okay.
what, mommy? Playground. We gonna go playground? Mommy, this not
Wah! Wah! Wah!
say playground. Because this called park.
This is a park. Stephen Park.
This one glove, it's good. If
Yes!
it's not cold,
Sino magaling na nga mag-English eh, no? Sige.
Nak, umauna ka no.
Ah, di ba? Oh, see?
yeah, it's a water. Me too.
Dapat wala nito eh. Hanggang saan ito, Mi? Ano nito? Your eyes is getting away. Hala, yung nose ni Sia. Nag-reread. You're like a monkey.
No, like a bunny.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Like a bunny. Diba meron silang red nose?
Parang si Zia Clown.
Yes! Look. Ah, see.
See, look at
Ito yung pinaka-lake niya. Ayan. Lamig. Ilan degrees ba tayo ngayon?
So quiet.
Ilang degrees?
Mama.
Why talaga dito? Kasi ano to?
Kasi park.
Park ito eh.
Playground.
Dito tayo dali. Go there. Dito tayo. O, tara tayo sa playground. Dali, come here.
We wanna go playground.
Wait. Memorial tree. May patay siguro dito. Mahulog ka dyan siya, ha? Ay, may tae. Oo, careful. Bato yan. Oh, careful. Dito tayo sa playground. Kaya mo? Kaya mo siya? Kaya mo? Baka mahulog ka. Wala. Kaya mo? Kaya mo? Nga. Kaya mo? Sure? Set. Eh? Oh, galing. Yeah. Okay, dyan lang kayo. Dito si Daddy. Doon ka lang siya, batuhan to. Doon ka lang.
I wanna go there.
Sige. Go. What's your step? What's your step? Naku, mag-i-slide tong mga to. Mag-i-slide to. Go! Mag-slide ka? Careful! Ah!
Wait, I wanna go here.
Ang lamig!
Baka mahulog ako dito.
Doon ka sa kabila. Dali. Yun guys. Diretso tayo dun sa pinakadulo. Baka meron pa doon sa dulo. Ganda sana kung may sasakyan, ano? Ganda sana kung may sasakyan, ha? Pero ang lamig talaga.
Ayun, ay gamusan.
No.
Musang.
Ano ba, squirrel ba yan? Tawag dyan?
Squirrel.
Square? Sa English?
Musang.
Yun o. Square.
Squirrel.
Tuhanin natin, lagyan natin sa house. Para, yan o.
Ano ipapakain mo dyan?
Ano, yung food ni Sia.
Oreo?
Oreo. Look.
Musang. Musang.
Lamig. Wala Sia yung nose mo. Oh, hala. Cover your nose. Ay, wag mo ilagay yung ano mo, dirty yung socks mo. Ay, yung socks, yung ano, gloves mo.
Nagpala, dyan na natin yung ano niya.
Yan. Oh,
Yung ano, scarf? Next
Kasi
time.
sobrang lamig.
Tignan natin to.
Sobrang
Na-careful ha.
Baka humulog kayo dyan. Malalim dyan. Let's just see, go there. Tingnan natin to. Okay. Aquatic plant and shoreline management plan. Erosion control. Algae control water.
Swim tayo.
Lamig!
Swim tayo.
May isda siguro dyan. Pwede daw mag-fishing dyan eh.
Palagay mo may fish ngayon dyan.
Pwede ba sabi
Napakalamig.
doon? Lah,
Hindi ata dito. May certain area ata na may fish lang.
hala siya yung face mo. Look at your face. Huwag mong hawakan. Pula. Wala, baka mag-frostbite ka.
Oo, nagagalaw siya eh.
Wala. Pag frostbite ba, hindi na.
Ha?
Hindi naman na. Hindi na may galaw.
Oo.
Wala.
Ayan.
Stephen Lake.
Public fishing. But I doubt.
Dito.
Hindi siguro.
Welcome to Stephen Lake.
Sakit na yung
Public
ears ko!
fishing.
Ako, hindi pa.
Hindi pa?
Sakit yung tingan ko!
Ah, paikot wala to hanggang doon.
Ay ko!
Hello. 911. Question.
Ay! Yung sipon ko, meron na ako sipon!
No swimming. Wearing life jacket. Ang ganda pala dito eh.
Nah, I don't care.
Ikutin natin to. Hanggang doon.
Agad mo ba yun?
Lawak pala nito.
So far naman ah.
Doon sa isang playground na pa.
Saan?
Doon sa may...
Sa kabila? Oh, ang lalim. O siya, gusto mong mag-circo-circo dyan?
Pagulong-gulong.
Gulong ka? You want to gulong-gulong?
That's just cool.
Falling down.
No.
I think they have fish here. Wala.
Baka they're under the water.
I don't think there are fish on there because it's too cold.
Look, siya, be careful dyan. Alam, may dog. May aso. Ni. Yan. Yung bata, awakan mo. Dalit, may aso. Dali.
Daddy, mabait yan?
Hindi, baka mga agad yan.
Wait.
Ha? Ah, hindi, okay na. Umikot siya.
Mami, diba yung dog at aso mabait? Si Daddy?
Dali. Lah. Mad na yung dog. Lah. Saan? Go. Na dito, doon tayo. Doon tayo.
Ayaw doon?
Saan?
May playground kasi doon eh.
Saan ang daan yan? Doon pa? Ah, doon.
Ay, diretso natin po. Tingnan ko.
Wala na, hindi na siya malamig. Mas malamig doon eh.
Eh kasi may tubig eh.
Feel cold pa siya. Hala, cover mo pa yung nose mo. Bakit red na yan?
Ano yun? Ano ba?
Hindi na yun. Wala, ulan na. May contest ba tayo doon?
Oo.
Can you see your hand, Daddy?
Look, oh, it's red na. Kailang, baba muna natin. Wait. Ayan, oh. Nandito kami sa isang playground pa.
Dako naman ah!
Kaya mo ba? La, what's this? Nandito pa kami sa isang swing. Ah, okay. Sapates.
Again?
Careful.
Huh? Okay.
Careful. Ay. Wala, ang dami na ng pets mo. Pag na dyan, dirty dyan. Dito ka na lang sa isa. Come here. Dyan ka na lang. Dali.
I'm ready to be not.
Tandaan ka lang ha. Careful. Go. Wink. Galing ni ate. Ate dito, sakay ka dito. Mag-ride ka, ay mag-ano ka dyan. Marunong ka? Alam mo yan? Climbing nga yata yan. Climbing eh. Lah, mahulog ka dyan siya. Wag ka na. Hindi mo kaya. Ano yan? Climbing wall yan eh. Dito. Oops. Hindi na kaya.
Daddy, let's go. Let's go there, Daddy.
Where?
There.
Okay. Dali. Ang lamig. Dali.
I'm ready.
Mag-slide din ako.
Okay, ikaw muna. Hala, si Daddy. Takot ikaw, no?
Takot ako eh. Ikaw na lang ate. Takot ako.
Sige.
Baka mabalian si daddy. Oh, watch your step. Galing ni ate Ching ah. Takot ako mag-slide eh. Dito na lang ako. Here. Mag-slide si daddy.
Ako din.
Wait.
Sabay tayo, ha?
Wait lang. Yung camera ko. 1, 2, 3! Okay, dito ka, Sia. Sa kabila. Ang ganda nga dyan. Dun. Dali. Ayan guys, uwi na kami. Tamang pasyal lang naman kami. Ayan. Medyo malamig din kasi. Hindi tayo nakapag gloves.